Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or crafter out there. We're talking about the best small sticker letters available in the market right now, the 30 Sheets Vinyl Letters stickers from sodknow. These tiny yet powerful stickers are packed with creativity potential. Let's unpack why they're a game changer. First off, what you get in this package is impressive. It includes 30 sheets of vibrant alphabet stickers, totaling a whopping 1680 letters, 300 numbers, 600 punctuation marks, and even 120 star and heart stickers. That's everything you need to personalize your projects to the max. These stickers are all about versatility. Measuring just half an inch, they're perfect for detailed work like scrapbooking, labeling, or jazzing up gift boxes and cards. The vinyl material ensures durability and a strong adhesive, making sure your designs stay put. Beyond crafts, they're fantastic for educational purposes too. Use them to teach kids letters and numbers in a fun, interactive way. Stick them on bulletin boards or bedroom walls for a personalized touch that's both educational and stylish. With their high-quality materials, easy application, and extensive variety, they're truly the best small sticker letters you can get your hands on right now. That's it for today's review. If you're looking to elevate your crafting game or add a personal touch to your projects, click the link in the description below to check them out. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on products that matter. This is Product Critique, signing off.